Today, we mark the 75th anniversary of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The Constitution of Human Rights says all humans are born free and equal in dignity and rights. The Universal Declaration is a roadmap helping to end wars, heal divisions, and promote lives of peace and dignity for all. But in Palestine, hundreds of political and civil society organizations have been banned, and the army regularly arrests journalists, activists, and ordinary people, especially speaking out. And thousands of children have been killed, maimed, injured, or arrested by Israel. So in this day, we demand that the violation of human rights in Palestine be stopped immediately. Thank you very much.